Hello guys, you all welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very quick and simple way to send USDT from your Binance account to a Bybit account. All right, and this tutorial is going to be very simple and easy to follow. So the first thing that you have to do is to open your Binance account. And then once you open your Binance account, this is how the interface is supposed to look like. All right, so we are going to be sending from the Binance account onto the Bybit account. All right, so I'm going to head straight to assets. So now click on assets. Now when you click on assets, you'll be able to get the options for add fund, send and transfer, and we are going to choose send. So I will click on send, and then when you click on send, it is going to give you a couple of options to choose from. So when you are choosing from these options, you have to be very careful so that you don't make any mistakes. All right, so make sure to follow my steps from the beginning to the end. When you click on send, then the next thing is to click on withdraw crypto. Now when you click on withdraw crypto, it is going to give you the list of coins available, and you can just go ahead and search for the particular coins that you want to send from your Binance account to the Bybit accounts. All right, we are going to be selecting the USDT, which is the particular coins that we are sending. So when you select USDT, it is going to give you a pop-up message. Just take your time and read the message, and then you click ignore. Now you are going to see this interface here. This interface shows send USDT. Number one, enter the address, which is the what do you call it, the blockchain address, and then also the network as well as the minimum amount that you want to send. So if this is your first time sending crypto to another wallet, I advise you start with as low as $10. Okay, so if you are able to send $10, then you can also increase the amount to a larger transfer. All right, so once you have this interface on your device, the next thing that we have to do is to head straight to our Bybit account. All right, so here inside the Bybit account, you can see how the interface is looking like, and we are going to be sending from the Binance to the Bybit account. So inside this Bybit account, what we are going to do is to click on assets. Now when you click on assets, you have to tap on deposits. Okay, so once you tap on the deposits, the next thing is to click on deposit crypto. And then we have to select the same coin, which is USDT, that we have already selected on the Binance app. So if you don't see USDT around here, you can just search for it at the top here, USDT, and then you select USDT. Make sure that you don't make any mistake. The same coin you select on the Binance has to be the same that you are going to select on the Bybit account. Then what we are going to select right now is the network that you are going to use to make the transfer. So we have two different types of networks that are more popular, which is the BEP20 or the TRC20. Okay, so and I'm going to explain to you the difference. So first of all, we are going to be working with the BEP20, and in my next video I'm going to show you how to use the TRC20, which is almost the same process. Okay, over here you can see that with the BEP20, the minimum deposit has to be 0.05 USDT. The same applies to the TRC20. So let us use the BEP20. Then once you click on the BEP20, it is going to generate an address for you. So this is your wallet address, your Bybit wallet address. Then you go ahead and copy the address. Then now we have to head back to the Binance account. Inside the Binance account, back to the interface here, we are going to paste the blockchain address, which is the Bybit address here. The wallet address has been pasted. Then the next thing we have to do is to select the network. When you open it like this, you are going to see the first network, which is the BEP20. Over here, you will get to find different types of network. Different types of networks. So you need to make sure that you do not make any mistake when selecting the network. So we are going to choose the BEP20, and the minimum withdrawal from here shows $10. So we go, and the fee for the transaction is 0.01 USDT. Then we click. Now we have selected the network. Then we have to enter the amount that we want to transfer. So I will just put in $10 for this transfer. Then we are going to click on withdraw. So you can see here that we are going to be sending $10, and the network fee will be 0.01 USDT, which means the Bybit user is going to receive 9.99 USDT. So let us click on withdraw. Okay, when you click on withdraw, it is going to give you the confirmation for you to check that the whole information is correct before you proceed. So don't rush the process, just follow the whole steps. Then you click on confirm. We are almost done, and this is the last process. Now you have to enter your authenticator code. So you have to head straight to your Google Authenticator so that we can copy the verification code. Now we have copied the verification code. We head back to Binance, and then we click on paste. Now once you paste it and then you accept, the payment will start immediately, and then it is only going to take 1 minute for this process to be completed. So let us wait, and let me go back to my Binance wallet, and you can see that it shows processing. Okay, so you can see that we just received a notification here saying that the deposit confirmation is in progress. Now Bybit has already got a notification that we are transferring USDT from Binance to Bybit account. Now let me refresh the Binance and see, and now you can see that the transfer is 100% completed, as you can see on the Binance. So with this interface here, if maybe you are sending it to somebody, you can actually screenshot from here and send it for payment confirmation. And you can see I've already received notification showing that the money, the USDT, has already been confirmed in the Bybit account. So let me go to the Bybit account and let us confirm it over there. So now you can see that before we were having 136 USDT on the Bybit account, and right now we have 145.99 USDT, which means the transaction is 100% successful. And this is how to easily send USDT from your Binance account straight to another Bybit account. Very easy and simple. All right, so guys, that is all for this video. If this video has been very helpful to you, make sure to like the video, share the video, and drop a comment in the comment section.